Today's topic tackles a chilly problem in many refrigerators: excessive ice buildup. A little frost is normal, but an ice castle taking over the fridge is definitely not. It's not only annoying, but it can also waste energy and damage the appliance in the long run. So, if you're tired of scraping away ice chunks every time you grab a milk carton, stick around. This video will uncover the top 5 reasons why a refrigerator might be making too much ice and how to fix them. By the way, if any of the mentioned products pique your interest, the links are all included in the description below for your convenience. Alright, let's jump right in. Reason number 1. A faulty door seal. Have you ever noticed a mysterious puddle of water near the refrigerator on the floor? That could be a sign the door seal isn't functioning properly. The seal acts like a gasket, keeping cold air inside and warm air outside. But if it's worn, cracked, or torn, moist air sneaks in, causing condensation that freezes into ice. So, take a moment to inspect the seal. Run fingers along it. It should feel firm and snug against the door. If it seems loose or damaged, replacing a seal is easier than you might think. Many refrigerators use universal door seal kits, which can be found at most hardware stores. Next up, we have a temperature issue: the thermostat. This little dial controls the refrigerator's temperature. If it's set too low, the fridge might be working overtime trying to maintain an Arctic tundra inside. This can lead to excess moisture freezing and accumulating as ice. Luckily, most refrigerators come with a handy temperature guide right inside the manual. The recommended range is usually around 37 degrees Fahrenheit, but double-check your manual to be sure. So, grab the refrigerator manual and see if the thermostat needs a little adjustment. Moving on to reason number 3, dirty condenser coils. These coils might sound fancy, but they're basically the radiator of the refrigerator. They release heat from the inside to keep things cool. The problem? Dust, pet hair, and other debris can build up on these coils, acting like a blanket. This traps heat inside the fridge, forcing it to work harder and, you guessed it, creating more ice. To avoid this, cleaning the condenser coils regularly is key. Most coils are located on the back or underneath the refrigerator. Consult the manual for specifics. You can clean them with a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner with the brush attachment. For tougher grime, a specially designed condenser coil cleaning brush can be a real lifesaver. There are many options available, so choose one that works best for you. Alright, reason number 4, an overstuffed fridge. We all know the struggle of trying to strategically pack groceries into every space. But here's the thing. Proper air circulation is essential for maintaining a consistent temperature inside the fridge. If you cram it full, you're basically blocking the air vents and hindering even cooling. So, take a deep breath and let's loosen things up a bit. Leave some space between groceries, especially around the vents, to allow for proper airflow. This will help prevent ice buildup and keep food nice and chilled. And finally, reason 5, a malfunctioning defrost system. Most modern refrigerators come with an automatic defrost cycle. This cycle helps melt any frost buildup that accumulates on the evaporator coils. But if this system isn't working properly, that frost can just keep on growing and growing, eventually turning into a full-blown ice castle. Now, troubleshooting a defrost system can be a bit tricky depending on the refrigerator model. So, if you suspect this might be the issue, it's best to call in a qualified appliance repair technician. They can diagnose the problem and get the defrost system back in tip-top shape. Those are the top 5 reasons why a refrigerator might be making too much ice. Remember, addressing excessive ice buildup can save energy and extend the life of your fridge. So, don't let your fridge become a personal Arctic wonderland. If you have any questions about the information in this video, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance maintenance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.